No! There goes my privacy! Today, I am not making the video I want to make. I'm making the video I have to make because this is letting all of you know that right now, FaceTime is not safe. To give you some context of how this started, from what I understand, a 14-year-old was trying to FaceTime his friend. He didn't answer, so he went on to FaceTime another friend, which then I think created a group FaceTime session. It was discovered that it kind of forced the other iPhone or the other FaceTime to pick up even before the person picked up. And the kid who discovered this is like, wow, I can hear you even though you didn't answer. Immediately reported it to one of his family members, one of his parents. They went and attempted to reach out to Apple to advise him of this. Through several different avenues, no avail. They eventually ended up on Twitter. And here is the tweet where you can clearly show they tweeted Apple support. Now, mind you, a tweet of this magnitude only has 216 retweets with 551 likes. Now, the date on this tweet is January 20th. Today's the 29th. Yesterday was the 28th. I mean, this thing really took some time to pick up. Apple needs to do better at accepting, reviewing, and investigating these types of security bugs. Apple just had a big giant ad over at CES in Las Vegas. And the ad said, what happens on your iPhone stays on your iPhone. And this was a fun little spin-off from what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, right? Is Apple FaceTime safe right now? This is what my experience is when big companies make mistakes. It's either an itty-bitty little mistake that's blown out of proportion, or it's a big giant mistake that they try to justify that it's itty-bitty tiny little small and hey guys, everything is okay. Nothing to see here. Keep moving along. Next in line, buy your iPhone. FaceTime is amazing. Don't you want iMessage? Look at this iCloud. Isn't the ecosystem wonderful? But what happens when the ecosystem fails? When you are so heavily invested in a brand, in a product line, in an ecosystem to protect you, that you think, oh, I'm on a Mac. I don't get a virus. I'm on a Mac. They have strong data security. They have built-in Fire Vault. All my data is encrypted. They wrap us in these wonderful words to make us feel safe and protected, that we're okay, that I'm an Apple consumer, which means I may be sophisticated or I'm absolutely not sophisticated. I'm just a consumer. It doesn't really matter. But I have a dependency, a reliance upon Apple to do what I expect it to do. Now, that has failed. The foundation has crumbled. Nothing is working as it is supposed to. Now, do you like the idea that people have access to hear your conversations before you've even accepted the call, whether it's a single FaceTime, a group FaceTime, in your phone, out of your phone, in the car, wherever? I mean, we've got the iPad, we have the MacBook Pro, we have the Apple iPhone, we've got the Apple Watch, we've got the ecosystem here in this studio. We have a dependence on it, but has it failed me? Apple FaceTime has failed you. For the moment, there's only one thing to do. Only one thing. Let me show you. . done. It's the only way to fix this, guys. Right now, until Apple fixes this, until they come out and they say, we've fixed this for you. Not just, hey, we've deactivated the feature. Take control. Don't trust the brand. Don't trust the manufacturer. Pick your phone up, hit the settings button, find the FaceTime button, and turn it off. Protect yourself, protect your family, protect your identity, and most importantly, for the love of tech, pay attention. Grab your Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and throw your main SIM in it, because as of right now, this phone is not exposing your conversations to other people. All jokes aside. If you got another phone and you're really worried about it, put your SIM in that phone, take it away from the iPhone for a little bit. Give Apple a chance to fix this. It might be a couple days, it might be a week, but usually when stuff hits the news at the level that it just hit the news, Apple usually reacts pretty quick. So give them a couple days, let them fix it. In the meantime, turn your FaceTime off. For the love of tech, thanks for watching. Again, this is the video I needed to make today. I didn't want it. I have a much more exciting video planned. I will probably work on that later today, but I'm going to go ahead and get this edited and pushed out as quickly as I can so you guys can get the news, you guys can get the information, and you can turn your iPhone off and protect yourself, protect your family, protect your data, protect your private conversations, because they're not meant to be public. We are always doing another giveaway. That's right, there's a giveaway around the corner. There is a Gleam link in the description. Go ahead and click on that link, follow that, have some fun, watch some videos, get some entries into the giveaway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you actually know when the videos come out. For the love of tech. Namaste.